Happy fall, y'all! I love this season, and who can blame me? The amount of DIY projects are endless. For 7 quick, budget-friendly fall DIYs you must try, stay tuned. Hey, good people! Welcome to Mommy Room Redo. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll show you 7 fall DIYs that are fast, fun, and financially friendly. Let's get started. Hey sis! We know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Our list is organized from least expensive and fastest DIYs to those that require slightly more effort. All of our projects are super easy and DIYs that you must try. Our first DIY, create pictures from the dollar store. I simply went to the card section of the dollar store and I looked for cards that I thought would make great pictures. I also wanted biblically inspired images. So each one of these cards features a Bible verse. This one right here, for example, says, "Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever." Psalms chapter 107, verse 1. The next step was to go to Walmart, pick out some inexpensive frames. I then painted them rose gold, and here are the results. They look awesome, and I'm not even finished. I'll probably add some other accents. I call this doorbells. This piece right here was a wall hanging in Walmart. I purchased that for $5. I then went to the dollar store and I saw this door hanger which has bells and the piece that goes around the door. So I simply converted this wall piece to a door hanger. I think it looks really cool. And I love hearing the sound of the bells as the kids travel in and out of the back door. Next up, we have candle holders. I love these. Now, when I first saw them, this was a wood color, so you'd have to paint it, but then I actually found it in black. So this also was $1, and I plan to do a triple threat of this and connect it together and put some rhinestones on it. As a first step, I painted the candle holders black. I attached them to the top portion and then added the rhinestones. And what I love best about these 3 beauties is that you can use them for various occasions. So I'm looking forward to changing out those candles for Christmas, Valentine's Day, and whatever other occasion comes my way. Here are our Cornucopia centerpieces. These Cornucopia centerpieces are sure to grab your guests' attention when they enter the room. While they weren't complicated to create, they did require quite a few steps. So I've included the video for guidance. Click above. Our 5th DIY is a floral centerpiece. This project is my absolute favorite. I think it speaks for itself. While there are many creators that put together a floral centerpiece, I have to say mine was one of the best. And I posted it on Facebook and just got numerous comments on just how lovely it was. I do have a video, which I'll provide the link below, and I suggest that you take a look and recreate this for your own home. Number 6 is a pumpkin topiary. I know I told you that the floral centerpiece was my absolute favorite, but this is another favorite. It came out much better than I expected. I used the picks from Hobby Lobby, the Dollar Tree, and I deconstructed them, painted them, put them together, and this is the finished product. I believe this item could compete with any product in an upscale home decor store. Make one yourself. So my final fast fall DIY is pumpkin soup. Bet you didn't see that coming. Well, pumpkin soup is super simple, and I've attached a link below to show you how to cook up this DIY. What is your favorite fast fall DIY? Let us know down in the comments. And what video would you like to see next? If there's a project you want us to work on, type it down in the comments. If we select your suggestion, we will shout you out in the next video. Happy fall to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. So please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Take care.